Welcome to a product review of the Aerial Lift and Scissor Lift tool organizers by Inventive Products. Both organizers are built right here in the USA by people who, like you, have a passion to build. Make your project, job, and life easier with these innovative work solutions. Both organizers are compatible with either a scissor lift or boom lift aerial work platform. First, we'll be reviewing the Aerial Lift Tool Organizer. Designed to be placed on the corners of your aerial boom lift or work platform, the Aerial Lift Tool Organizer measures 22 inches wide by 7 inches deep, giving you the standing room you want with the ample storage for all the tools you need. OSHA compliant, manufactured from marine grade aluminum, and powder coated in a tough coat black finish, this organizer is made to last generations. Removable dividers are included, so you can create the perfect size bins for your needs. Transporting and installing the organizer is easy with the built-in carrying grip. Using the 2 supplied securement pins, you can quickly install the organizer to the corner railing of your lift. There are multiple pin slots to ensure that it fits a wide variety of machine railing. Each pin is fastened with a lynch clip, or you can choose to lock them in place with your own padlocks to secure the organizer from theft. A tool bag holder is also included on the front, so you can ensure you've got the tools you need when you need them. Next, we'll review the Time Saver Scissor Lift Organizer. Featuring 2 storage bins with adjustable dividers, the Time Saver Scissor Lift Organizer installs quickly to side railings, keeps your worksite clean, and keeps your tools and hardware organized. The top tray measures 10.25 inches long by 13.75 inches wide by 5.25 inches deep to hold your most frequently used tools, while the bottom storage bin is 5.75 inches long by 15 inches wide by 3.25 inches deep, with a sloped front for easy access to hardware. OSHA compliant, constructed from marine grade aluminum, and powder coated in a tough coat black finish, this organizer will last you a lifetime and beyond. Not only are the dividers on the Scissor Lift Organizer removable, but multiple slots allow for adjustable bin sizes for any on-the-job storage needs. Each divider has a tab at the bottom for a locking screw, so you can choose to either keep a locked configuration for your go-to tools and hardware, or keep them unlocked for quick reorganization whenever you may need it. Just as with the Aerial Lift Organizer, the Scissor Lift Organizer features securement pins for quick installation with lynch pins and securement from theft using padlocks, as well as a convenient tool bag holder. This organizer fits all popular scissor lifts on the market, including Genie, Skyjack, JLG, and Snorkel. If you order online now, you'll get same-day shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee, as well as peace of mind knowing this product is made right here in the USA. Save time and money on the job site and get organized today. Order your Aerial Lift Organizer and Time Saver Scissor Lift Organizer online now. Be safe, work smart, and keep building with the full line of Inventive products designed for construction, making your life easier.